Sorry about that, YouTube and everybody else. Try to play my phone while recording, but music while recording, but my phone won't have it. But what you see is it has my GPS, it has my music, it has my phone. Press this little button, it shows me all of it. Here's my radio button for going on here. Texts, calendar, podcasts. No. Let's see. Radio, not playing. Yeah, pretty much everything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and I can search through my playlists and libraries on here. I know it's kind of dark. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess I'll talk to you later. Let me know what you guys think of my new edition. It is a big thing. And let me know what you guys think. I mean, yeah, it kind of does add a good few inches, but I like it. And I can still see my clock. So, yeah. Bye.